Good afternoon, students. First year maths year. We will discuss about first year maths year trigonometry. My name is N. Ramesh. Qualification MSc BEd Mathematics. My mobile number is 9052251007. If any doubt, please contact this number. అది ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కావచ్చు, ఇప్పుడు చెప్పేటటువంటి విధానం కావచ్చు, హోంవర్క్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఏవైనా సరే, ఏమన్నా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నా వాట్సాప్లో మీరు ఈ నెంబర్కి కాంటాక్ట్ చేయొచ్చు ఎనీ టైం. ఓకే, అలాగే మీకు ఇచ్చేటటువంటి హోంవర్క్స్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అనేవి కంపల్సరీ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ స్టూడెంట్ సాల్వ్ చేయాలి. ఆ సాల్వ్ చేసినటువంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వాట్సాప్లో మీరు మీ గ్రూప్కి సెండ్ చేయండి. ఆ సెండ్ చేసినటువంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ని వీకెండ్లో కంపల్సరీ రివ్యూ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. రివ్యూ చేసినటువంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్లో ఇంకా ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ వీకెండ్లో వాటిని సాల్వ్ చేయడం జరుగుతున్నాము. వాటి యొక్క సొల్యూషన్స్ చెప్పడం జరుగుతుంది. కంపల్సరీ ప్రతిరోజు జరిగేటటువంటి క్లాస్ని కంపల్సరీ వాచ్ చేయండి, నోట్స్ మెయింటైన్ చేయండి, హోంవర్క్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కంపల్సరీ సాల్వ్ చేస్తూ ఉండండి. ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ వచ్చినా సరే, ఎటువంటి డౌట్స్ అయినా సరే పర్సనల్గా ఈ నెంబర్కి కాంటాక్ట్ చేయండి. ఓకే, in the previous class we will discuss about the trigonometric problems, some type of the problems. Okay, next one, present problem. If cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta, then prove that cos theta minus sin theta is equal to root 2 sin theta. Here what is the given problem? If cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta, then prove that cos theta minus sin theta is equal to root 2 sin theta. Okay. See the solution. Everyone listen here. What is the given condition? Given that cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta. Okay. On the left side there are some of the two terms. The first term is cos theta, second term is sin theta. On the right side term is only one term, the term is root 2 cos theta. So left side cos theta term can move from right side. That implies sin theta is equal root 2 cos theta minus cos theta. Sin theta is equal to, on the right side what is the common term? Cos theta is the common term. The remaining terms are root 2 minus 1 of cos theta. Here what is the irrational numbers? Root 2 minus 1. What is the conjugate of this number? Root 2 plus 1 is the conjugate of root 2 minus 1. So that term multiplying on both sides. So we can multiply on both sides with root 2 plus 1. With root 2 plus 1. So root 2 plus 1 of sin theta is equal to root 2 plus 1 into root 2 minus 1 of cos theta. Root 2 plus 1 of sin theta. So this sin theta multiplying these two terms, then we can get root 2 sin theta plus 1 into sin theta. Sin theta is equal, on the right side there are these two terms in the form of a plus b into a minus b. What is the formula of a plus b into a minus b? a square minus b square. So root 2 square minus 1 square of cos theta. Root 2 sin theta plus sin theta is equal to, so square root get cancel, 2 minus 1 square, 1 cos theta. So root 2 sin theta plus sin theta is equal to 2 minus 1, 1 into cos theta, cos theta. So on the right side sin theta can move from left. We get cos theta minus sin theta is equal root 2 sin theta. So finally we can prove cos theta minus sin theta is equal root 2 sin theta. So we are given that cos theta plus sin theta is equal root 2 cos theta. From this one we can prove cos theta minus sin theta is equal root 2 sin theta. Okay, understood? If any doubt, okay, everyone note this one. Okay, completed. What is the next problem? Find the value of find the value of 2 of sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta minus 3 of sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta. Okay. Find the value of 2 of sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta minus 3 of sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta. Okay. Listen here. So we can find the value of 2 of sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta minus 3 of sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta, that equal 2 of sin power 6 can be written as sin square theta whole cube plus cos power 6 can be written as cos square theta whole cube minus 3 sin power 4 can be written as sin square theta whole square plus cos power 4 can be written as cos square theta whole square. Here this term is in the form of sin square we can consider A, cos square theta we can consider B. This total term is in the form of A cube plus B cube. Okay, what is the formula of A cube plus B cube? A cube plus B cube formula, A plus B whole cube, A plus B whole cube formula, A cube plus B cube plus 3AB of A plus B. So we get only A cube plus B cube mean That formula is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab of a plus b. Okay. The second term is in the form of a square plus b square. So a square plus b square is the equal formula a plus b whole square minus 2ab. By using the two formulas, we get right a cube plus b cube mean a plus b whole cube. A is here sin square theta plus cos square theta whole cube minus 3a into b sin square theta into cos square theta of sin square theta plus cos square theta. A cube plus b cube minus minus 3 of a square plus b square can be written as a plus b whole square mean sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square minus 2ab. A is here sin square theta, b is here cos square theta. That equal 2 of, by the trigonometric identities we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal 1. 1 cube minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta of 1 minus 3 of sin square theta plus cos square theta 1 square minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. So 2 of 1 cube 1 minus 3 into 1 3 sin square theta cos square theta minus 3 of 1 square 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. Okay, multiplying these two terms 2 of 1 2 minus 2 3 6 sin square theta cos square theta minus 3 into 1 minus 3 minus of minus plus 6 sin square theta cos square theta. So plus 6 sin square theta cos square theta minus 6 sin square theta cos square theta get cancelled, remaining 2 minus 3 that equal to minus 1. That is the value of 2 of sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta minus 3 of sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta value is minus 1. Okay, everyone note this one. Okay, completed. Okay, that is the next problem. Prove that tan theta plus cot theta whole square is equal to secant square theta plus cosec square theta, that is equal to secant square theta into cosec square theta. Okay, we can prove that tan theta plus cot theta whole square is equal to secant square theta plus cosec square theta, that is also equal to secant square theta into cosec square theta. Okay, first of all we can prove tan theta plus cot theta whole square is equal to, this term is in the form of a plus b whole square. So applying here a plus b whole square means a square tan square theta plus b square cot square theta plus 2ab, 2 into tan theta into cot theta, that equal tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 into tan theta into cot theta is the reciprocal of tan. Already we know that cot theta and tan theta are the reciprocal terms. So cot theta can be written as 1 by tan theta. So here tan theta, numerator tan theta get cancelled, that equal tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2. We know that trigonometric identity. By the trigonometric identities, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. From these identities, we can write tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1 plus cot square theta is equal cosec square theta minus 1 plus 2. From these identities, we can write tan square theta is equal secant square minus 1, cot square theta is equal cosec square minus 1, that equal secant square theta plus cosec square theta minus 1 minus 2 plus 2. So both are get cancelled, that equal secant square theta plus cosec square theta. Consider that is equation number 1. Next we can prove secant square theta plus cosec square theta. Secant theta is the reciprocal of cos theta, that is 1 by cos square theta. Cosec theta is the reciprocal of sine. Already we know that cosec theta is the reciprocal of sine. So cosec square theta can be written as 1 by sine square theta. On the right side, what is the LCM? Cos square theta into sine square theta. Then the numerators are sine square theta plus cos square theta. By the identities, trigonometric identities, sine square theta plus cos square theta can be written as 1 by cos square theta into sine square theta. Now we can divide in the denominator for the numerator terms, that is 1 by cos square theta into 1 by sine square theta. 1 by cos square means secant square theta into 1 by sin square cosec square theta. That is equation number 2. From 1 and 2, we get tan theta plus cot theta whole square is equal to secant square theta plus cosec square theta. That is equal to secant square theta into cosec square theta. Okay, note this one. Okay, completed. Right, and the next problem. If cos theta greater than 0, tan theta plus sin theta is equal to m, and tan theta minus sin theta is equal to n, then show that m square minus n square is equal 4 under root of m into n. If cos theta is greater than 0, tan theta plus sin theta equal m, and tan theta minus sin theta equal m, then show that m square minus n square is equal 4 into under root of m into n. Okay. In this problem, what is the given conditions? Given that m is tan theta plus sin theta is equal m. Consider that is equation number 1, and tan theta minus sin theta is equal to n. Consider that is equation number 2. From these two equations, first we can adding these two equations, adding 1 and 2, tan theta plus sin theta plus tan theta minus sin theta is equal to m plus n. So here plus sin theta minus sin theta get cancelled. So 2 tan theta is equal to m plus n. We can subtracting 1 and 2, we get tan theta plus sin theta minus of tan theta minus sin theta means minus tan theta plus sin theta is equal m minus n. So plus tan theta minus tan theta get cancelled. 2 sin theta is equal to m minus n. Adding 1 and 2 we get m plus n value. That value is equal to 2 tan theta. Subtracting 1 and 2 we get m minus n value. That value is equal to 2 sin theta. Okay. But we can prove, we can show that m square minus n square is equal 4 root mn. So first we can prove, we can find LHS value. What is LHS? M square minus n square. That equal, this term is in the form of a square minus b square. This can be written as a plus b of a minus b. So m plus n into m minus n. That equal, what is m plus n value? 2 tan theta into m minus n value 2 sin theta. That equal 2 to the 4 tan theta into sin theta. That is LHS value m square minus n square. Next we can find RHS. Okay. Next we can find RHS value. What is RHS? 4 under root of mn. That equal 4 under root of, what is the value of n? Tan theta plus sin theta. N value is tan theta minus sin theta. That equals 4 under root of, these two terms is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Can be written as a square minus b square. Mean tan square theta minus sin square theta. That equal 4 under root of, tan square theta can be written as sin square theta by cos square theta minus sin square theta. That equal 4 under root of sin square theta into 1 by cos square can be written as 1 by cos means reciprocal of cos. What is the reciprocal of cos? Secant. That is secant square theta minus sin square theta. That equal 4 under root of, in these two terms what is the common term? Sin square theta is the common term. Remaining terms are secant square theta minus 1. That equal 4 under root of sin square theta into secant square theta minus 1 can be written as, by the identities, secant square minus 1 is equal tan square theta. That equal 4 under root of tan theta into sin theta whole square. So here square root get cancelled. That equal 4 tan theta into sin theta. That value is 4 root mn. So finally what is the LHS value? 4 tan theta sin theta. RHS value 4 tan theta sin theta. From this one, therefore, so here LHS equal RHS. What is LHS? M square minus n square is equal, RHS is 4 root mn. Okay, everyone note this one. Okay, completed. That is the next one. If tan 20 degrees is equal to lambda, then show that tan 160 degrees minus tan 110 degrees by 1 plus tan 160 degrees into tan 110 degrees is equal to 1 minus lambda square by 2 lambda. Okay. In this problem, what is the given value? Given value is here only tan 20 degrees. That value is equal to lambda. Then we can show that tan 160 degrees minus tan 110 degrees by 1 plus tan 160 into tan 110 degrees is equal to 1 minus lambda square by 2 lambda. Okay. In this problem, what is the known value? Again, only known value is 20 degrees. Tan value, that is equal to lambda. Unknown values are 160 degrees and 110 degrees. These two angles can be converted into 20 degrees by using related angles. Okay. See here, given that tan 20 degrees is equal to lambda. First we can find tan 160 degrees. 160 can be written as in terms of 20 by using related angle. What are related angles? 90 plus r minus theta, 180 plus r minus theta, 270 plus r minus theta, and 360 plus r minus theta. These angles are called elated angles. So by using elated angle, 160 can be written as 180 minus 20. Tan 180 minus theta is in which quadrant? Second quadrant. In the second quadrant, tan is negative sign, minus 180 means even multiple. If angle are in even multiple, ratios will be not change. So tan as usual, tan 20 degrees. That equal, we know the value of tan 20. Given that what is the value of tan 20 degrees? That value is lambda. So tan 160 degrees value is minus lambda. Next we can find tan 110 degrees. That equal, tan of 110 can be written as, by using elated angle, can be written as 90 plus 20 degrees. In angle only 20 degrees. 110 can be written as 90 plus 20. So tan of 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta is in which quadrant? 90 plus theta is again in second quadrant. In the second quadrant, tan ratio will negative sign. 90 plus is odd multiple. If angle are in odd multiple, tan will be changed. Cot 20 degrees. We don't know the value of cot 20. We know the one, we have only tan 20 degrees value. But cot is a reciprocal of tan. That is 1 by tan 20 degrees. That equals minus 1 by lambda. Okay. Now we can show that we can take LHS. Tan 160 degrees plus 160 minus tan 110 degrees by 1 plus tan 160 into tan 110 degrees. That equal, we know the value of tan 160 and tan 110. What is the value of tan 160? Minus lambda minus tan 110 degrees minus 1 by lambda, minus 1 by lambda by 1 plus tan 160 minus lambda into tan 110 minus 1 by lambda. On the numerator, LCM is lambda. Lambda into minus lambda square, minus of minus plus 1 by, in the denominator LCM is lambda. Lambda into 1, lambda, minus of minus plus lambda into 1, lambda. So on the numerator and the denominator term both are get cancelled. That equal 1 minus lambda square by lambda plus lambda, 2 lambda. That is RHS. Okay, everyone understand? Any doubt? Please contact that number, my personal number. That and also WhatsApp number is also there, 90522510007. Okay, everyone note this one. Okay, completed. సేమ్ ఇదే మోడల్లో ఒక ప్రాబ్లం ఇస్తున్నాను, హోంవర్క్ ప్రాబ్లం. ఎవ్రీవన్ డూ దట్ ప్రాబ్లం. సేమ్ యాజ్ యూజువల్ మోడల్. సేమ్ మోడల్ ఎలా అయితే మనం అన్నోన్ వాల్యూస్ 160 110 20 డిగ్రీస్ లో కన్వర్ట్ చేసామో ఇప్పుడు ఇచ్చేటటువంటి ప్రాబ్లం కూడా సేమ్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ మోడల్. If tan 20 degrees is equal to P, then prove that tan 610 degrees plus tan 700 degrees by tan 560 degrees minus tan 470 degrees. Tan of 470 degrees is equal to 1 minus p square by 1 plus p square. Same as this previous problem model. In this problem, what is the given value? The given value is tan 20 degrees is equal p. We can prove tan 610 plus tan 700 by tan 560 minus tan 470 equal 1 minus p square by 1 plus p square. Okay, here unknown values are 610 degrees. 610 can be written as by using elated angle can be converted into 20 degrees. 360 plus 360, that is 360 plus 180. How much? 360 plus 180, 540. 540 plus 70. 70 again can be written as 90 minus 20. 700. 360 plus 360, 720. 720 minus 20. 560. 360 plus 180. 540. 540 plus 20. 470. 360 plus 90. 450. 450 plus 20. 470. By using elated angle, these unknown values can be written as by using tan 20. ఈ వాల్యూస్ ని యూజ్ చేస్తూ వీటిని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. 1 minus p square by 1 plus p square అని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. Everyone note that one?